Ever changing. We ended 2023 very, very dry, massive deficit, and looks like 2024 is trying to more than make up for that. And we've got several rounds of some rainfall headed our way. Really pretty sunset. I tell you what, with that low sun angle this time of year and with a little passing high cloudiness, our sunrises and sunsets usually tend to be very, very pretty with kind of that rainbow of colors all the way down to the horizon. 53 degrees right now with low humidity, winds light out of the east-southeast at 6 miles an hour. Now, the cloud cover has been steadily coming in from kind of a west and southwesterly direction. That's some of the higher cloudiness. But notice what is happening over central Texas. This is the system that we're watching kind of take shape that'll be moving our way. Really, it's going to be kind of a developing little Gulf low that moves right along the coastline that'll help us out with our rainfall starting overnight tonight and likely with this for the morning commute tomorrow. A lot of schools starting to go back this week. A lot of folks going back to work. So might start to see a little bit more congestion on the roadways and couple that with a wet start to the day. 50s right now on both sides of the lake and fairly light winds as well. Winds will pick up as our system starts to approach and a little bit more of a breeze during the day tomorrow. Today's high officially says 53 degrees. I think we briefly hit 54 degrees. Either way, we stayed well below our average, and tomorrow will still be another chilly day. Now, our morning lows today, upper 20s and low 30s. So, as we expected, kind of a widespread light freeze. We're not going to be as cold tomorrow morning. More upper 30s and generally lower 40s north and more mid-upper 40s south. So while that rainfall does move in, we're not going to see a big warm-up with this system. So it'll be kind of a cold rain that pushes on through. Here's our developing system, starts to move in late tonight. We'll begin to see most of our rainfall probably after 3 a.m. Now, there are still some timing differences based upon which model you look at, but most of them are indicating this kind of pre-dawn and then through the morning commute. 7:30, still some rounds of maybe pockets of heavier showers, but more than anything, it's just going to be kind of a steady nuisance rain. Rainfall accumulation should not be all that much from this system. So this one doesn't have a whole lot of fanfare with it, a bit of morning rainfall, and then we're done. Chilly but dry as we continue on through Thursday and into early Friday. Then by Friday, late in the evening, another system starts to approach. And we'll talk more about that round 2 in just a moment. Rainfall totals from the first round of rain tomorrow morning, only looking at about a ½ inch of rain to maybe an inch. Widespread, this does not look to be a flooding issue, maybe a few isolated downpours, but even that I don't think is going to be much of an issue. Here comes round 2. This system starts bringing in the rainfall late on Friday afternoon, evening. Again, model timing does differ a bit. This could bring in more heavy rainfall, and this system will bring in the chance for maybe some localized street flooding. Thankfully, it wraps up Saturday morning, so 12th night activities should be fine. Kind of a chilly but dry stretch. Then here we go into round 3. This is Monday morning. Notice we have a strong onshore flow. This one looks like it'll be more associated with warmer, more humid air before the rainfall begins, and a lot of the energy a little bit farther to the north of us. This may put us in a threat for some severe weather. So round 3 comes in Monday, maybe throughout much of the day into early Tuesday. And actually with this one, more of an Arctic air mass moving in behind it. This one though, round 3, will bring in maybe a chance for some strong to severe storms. So 3 rounds of rainfall. First one tomorrow morning, just some light, maybe moderate rainfall. Next one, maybe some isolated flooding. And then the third one, the chance for maybe some strong to severe storms.